Hello children, how are you all? Today I will be teaching phonics sounds of English letters which we teach in KG2. There are 26 letters in English alphabets. There are 26 letters in English alphabets. Now I am going to begin with letter A. Well, first letter is A. This is capital A and small a. A is the name of this letter. Capital A, small a. The phonic sound of the letter A is A. The phonic sound of the letter A is A. This is the first letter in English alphabets. The phonic sound of letter A is A. Our next letter is B. This is capital letter B and small letter b. B is the name of this alphabet. This is letter B, capital letter B and small letter b, and the phonic sound of this letter is B. The phonic sound of this letter is B. Now, third letter is C. This is capital letter C and small letter c. C is name of this letter. Capital letter C and small letter c. The phonic sound of letter C is K. K. The phonic sound of letter C is K. The next letter is D. This is capital letter D and small letter d. Capital letter D, small letter d. The phonic sound of letter D is D. D. Your next letter is E. This is capital letter E and small letter e. Capital letter E, small letter e. The sound of the letter E is A. A. The sound of phonic sound of letter E is A. A. The next letter is F. This is capital letter F and small letter f. The phonic sound of letter F is F. The phonic sound of letter F is F. Your next letter is G. This is capital letter G and small letter g. The phonic sound of letter G is G. G. The phonic sound of letter G is G. Your next letter is H. Capital letter H and small letter h. Capital letter H and small letter h, and the phonic sound of letter H is H. H. Now, next letter is I. This is capital letter I and small letter I. This is the name of this letter. I is the name of this letter. capital letter I, small letter I. The phonic sound of the letter I is E. E. The phonic sound of letter I is E. Your next letter is J. Capital letter J and small letter J. The phonic sound of letter J is J. J. The phonic sound of letter J is J. Your next letter is K. Capital letter K and small letter K. This is capital letter K and small letter K. The phonic sound of letter K is K. K. See, here you have to notice the sounds of letter C and sound of letter K. This is K. This is K. Here the phonic sound of letter C is K and phonic sound of letter K is K. K. Next letter is L. Capital letter L and small letter L. L is the name of this letter and the phonic sound is L. The phonic sound is L. Your next letter is M. This is capital letter M and small letter M. Capital letter M and small letter M. The phonic sound of letter M is M. The phonic sound of letter M is M. Your next letter is N. Capital letter N and small letter N. The phonic sound of letter N is N. This is M and N. The phonic sound of letter N is N. Now next letter is O. This is capital letter O and small letter O. The phonic sound of letter O is O. O. The phonic sound of letter O is O. Your next letter is P. See, P. This is capital letter P and here it is small letter P. This is the phonic sound of letter P is P, 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 P. The phonic sound of letter P is P, P. Now next letter is Q. This is capital letter Q and small letter Q. Capital letter Q, small letter Q. This is the name of this letter, but the phonic sound is Q. Q. The phonic sound is Q. Children, repeat after me. Q. Q. Next letter is R. This is capital letter R and small letter R. Capital letter R, small letter R. The phonic sound of letter R is R. The phonic sound of letter R is R. R, R. Your next letter is S. Capital letter S and this is small letter S. The phonic sound of letter S is S, S. The phonic sound of letter S is S, S. Your next letter is T. This is capital letter T and small letter T. Capital letter T and small letter T. The phonic sound of letter T is T, 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 T. The phonic sound of letter T is T, Now next letter is U. See, U, this is capital letter U and small letter U. This is capital letter U, small letter U. And phonic sound of letter U is A. The phonic sound of letter U is A. Your next letter is V. This is capital letter V and small letter V. Capital letter V, small letter V, and the phonic sound of the letter V is V. The phonic sound of letter V is V. Now next letter is W. This is capital letter W, and here it is small letter W. The phonic sound of letter W is V. This is V, van. This is V, watch. The phonic sound of letter W is V. Your next letter is X. See, this is X. This is capital letter X and small letter X. The phonic sound of letter X is X. The phonic sound of letter X is X. Now, after letter X, your next letter is Y. Your next letter is Y. This is Y. This is capital letter Y and small letter Y. Your phonic sound of letter Y is Y. The phonic sound of letter Y is Y. Last alphabet is Z. This is capital letter Z and small letter Z. And phonic sound of letter Z is Z. The phonic sound of letter Z is Z. One more time we will repeat all the phonic sounds from starting from A. B, B, A, B, B, C, K, D, D, E, A, F, G, G, H, H, I, E, I, E, J, J, K, 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 L, 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 M, 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 N, 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 O, 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 P, 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 Q, 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 R, 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 S, 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 T, 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 U, U, V, 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 W, 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 X, 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 Y, 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 Z, 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 Z. These are the phonic sounds of English letters. If you liked this video, please subscribe and share. If you have any doubts, please put in the comments. Thank you. See you in the next video. Thank you once again.